So guys, good morning, welcome to this YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to analyze GBP JPY and enter trade. So this is not live analyzation, and I'm also taking trade on this. So firstly, if you come across this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Pay attention to this video, you surely learn something out of this video. Pay very close attention. So this is 4 hours time frame right now. As you can see, this is 4 hours, and the move of GJ, that GBP JPY, the move is making is buying trend, is uptrend, which is you can see from this angle, from this 4 hour time frame, which is you can see from here. This is 4 hours. So let's analyze it and get a trade from here. First, pay attention, this is another block from 4 hours. This is another block from 4 hours. Another block from 4 hours. As you can see, it's another block from 4 hours. So let's go to 1 hour and check our other block. So in 4 hours, you can see where the market actually came back to test. As you can see here, pay attention. As a day trader, if you want to analyze your market, always start from 4 hour time frame. Sometimes you can start from daily. A 4 hour time frame is not giving you enough confirmation or enough confidence. You can scale down to daily time frame to get yourself a proper confirmation, to know if the market is selling or buying, so that you won't take random trade. So as you can see, first, this is our trend line. The market break our trend line with this massive move, and this is news, the news that dropped yesterday. So in 4 hours, you can see, so this is the place the market tested. So let's go to 30 minutes. This is 1 hour. Let's go to 30 minutes. See something here, and this is imbalance. Always pay attention to this. So this massive move that this GJ did yesterday here, this is imbalanced. Money was left here. So for my own analysis and my own understanding, I'm expecting market to go up again to fill up this gap. This gap must be filled. So I'll be buying from here. Let me go to 15 minutes where I normally enter my trade. So in 15 minutes time frame, I'm saying buy. So I will buy from this place. I will buy immediately. Then my F sell should be somewhere here. That is 50. This is GJ. That is 50 pips SL. So my TP should be up here. Here is my TP. This is 1:3. It's not bad. Because of this imbalance, money was left here. So understand, guys. Always pay attention to the left side. Money was left here. So this is what I'm expecting. So I will still give you guys the result of this trade. Just pay attention to it. You'll surely learn something out of it. So as you can see, this imbalance was what made me to enter this trade. So let's pay attention to it. So let's watch how it plays, and I'm going to add this video record or the screenshot of the trade I took with this. So pay attention to it, guys.
3 hours later.
So guys, this is how the trade worked out. You guys remember that I analyzed this trade. So but I couldn't be able to complete the video, but this is it right now. GBPJPY. So this is how the trade work out. And I've told you guys, always pay attention to this imbalance. This 4 black candlesticks that pop up here, the market will surely fill it up. So as you can watch, the market fill it up and start coming down. That is cool, bro. My liquidity was swept here, and here is breakout structure, and this place is support level. So I saw that entry, that's why I take the trade. So let me show you guys when the trade actually hits TP. Let me show you guys. This is the trade, guys. You see it when the trade hit TP. So always pay attention to imbalance. Always pay attention to imbalance. So guys, that's it. If you want to know how I was able to know the next move of this trade, just drop your comment, tell me your opinion. I will drop my WhatsApp number. Then you can join my mentorship if you can afford my mentorship. So thank you guys.